Welcome to the Smarter Money Life, powered by Forum Credit Union, where we dive into the world of smart financial decisions that can help you take control of your money to live a more fulfilling life. Whether you're looking to save more, invest wisely, or simply manage your finances better, we've got you covered. Our organizational purpose is to help you live your financial dreams. So sit back and let's get started on your journey to financial success. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Smarter Money Life. I'm Andy Mattingly, and today we're going to talk about a very important topic: building, managing, and protecting your credit profile. Now, good credit can be fairly straightforward. There's a couple things it starts with: paying all of your bills on time and not overextending on credit. And using strong money habits can help you have the funds to make timely payments and avoid adding too much debt. Because good credit is beneficial to many aspects of your financial life. And living with poor credit is never easy, and it's almost always more costly. So let's talk about a few things you can do to make sure that your credit score is where you want it to be. It could be fixing your credit utilization ratio, which just means how much of the limit of all the lines of credit or credit card limits are you using. You want to try to stay 30% or less. This could be a factor keeping your score down if you're much higher than this. So work to lower this limit by paying down some of those balances and keeping there, or maybe you can now increase your limits a little bit if you need that much in balances. Now, you also can have different types of credit, because a low score might be because you only have one credit card or maybe one store chart. So consider getting a car loan or an installment loan. Your score will improve if you can show that you can handle different types of credit. Now, along with credit utilization ratio, and probably more important than even that, is paying your loans on time. This is probably the best way to make sure your score is high and stays high. Because if you build a history of paying your credit on time and avoid any 30-day lates, your credit score is going to be positively impacted. Now, maybe there's another way you can work on your score. Some rental companies will now report your rent. It's a great way to improve your score as long as you pay your rent on time. So ask your landlord if they'll report your on-time rent payments to the credit bureaus. Now, there are a lot of benefits of a good credit. It starts with you're going to have a lower interest rate on credit cards and loans. And that just means that you then pay less for everything that you have to finance. Financial institutions rely heavily on your credit score to determine the rate that you have to pay for loans and credit cards. A good score also means you have a chance for higher limits, which will then help your score if you're not using all of those limits. And it also often drives the amount your lender will approve if you're getting a car loan or something else. So if your score is too low, you might not even be able to be approved for any amount. And then there's a growing number of companies that are using credit to determine rates. A good example is auto insurance. It's one such company that some of them will look at your credit score, and the lower it is, the higher your car insurance payments will be. Now, your credit score is one of the most influential aspects of your overall financial profile. So having a good score is critical, but you also have to protect that score because it really does improve your financial outlook. Thanks for joining us on Smarter Money Life. I hope you found today's tips and insights useful. Remember, smart financial decisions can lead to a brighter, more secure future. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And until next time, keep striving for financial success and living your best life.